morning, Uncle Boji. So buy 4, get 1 free. I like the free one. No, Boji, you will be with it.
Hello students, so today we are going to see about a very interesting one. Okay, so that's really great. Today it's very nice and it's very nice to see you all. Okay, I hope you all are doing well, and this is the thing that we are going to deal is that. So can we start with the topic today? Well, I hope you all are doing well and all the best for your coming exam. Okay, only thing is that when you want to study, you can study. Okay, when you want to understand the things, it's very easy to do it. Okay, but the only problem is that understanding the problem or understanding the concept is very, very important one. So today we are going to see about the first topic of this, that is core and extended mathematics. That is first one is number system. What is number system is? Basically, we are going to just it's a theoretical chapter compared to the solving the things. So this is a number system or a number we are going to see. Based on that only we are going to see the next chapter. Okay, so that's the reason that this is the first chapter about knowing the numbers and all. I hope you are understanding the concept. So can we start with the things? Okay, that's really great. So it's really nice that we are going to do with this. Can we start now? Now, when it comes to number system, we have different types of numbers. So, what is the first numbers we are going to see? The first one is natural number. That is very, very simple one. What does the natural number mean is that which starts naturally. How we start with the number 1, 2, 3, right? Yes or no? So, we are going to see this natural numbers. Naturally 1, 2, 3, it goes on. We don't start with 0 or something. We start with 1. So that's why it's a natural number. Now when it comes to odd number, which is not divisible by 2. Very clearly I am telling you student, which is not divisible by 2 means which is we cannot divide it. That is apart from the numbers which is a multiple of 2. Like 1, 3, then 5, then 7, it goes on. So like that, odd numbers are there. Even number is very simple. That is divisible by 2. That is a 2 table. That is 2, 4, 6, 8, it goes on. Okay. The second part of it is integer. What does integer mean? Very, very clear student, what does integer mean? Integer, many students think that it includes decimal number. It's not. Integer is something which has the whole number that consists of negative as well as positive. So what are they? For example, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, it goes on. Basically it consists of a whole number which is negative as well as positive. Okay, so that is the integer. Now another type of number, what is that? It's a prime number. What is it? Prime number. Prime number is very very important, student, when it comes to word problems, when it comes to competitive exam and all, because you should remember what are the numbers we have. So what are the numbers? Basically prime number are the numbers which is greater than 1. You are not going to include 1, okay, which has only two factors, the number itself and the other one is 1. Like for example 2 comes in 2 table and it is divisible by 1, but it doesn't come in any other table. So 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11, it goes on. So like that, these are the numbers. Now we have square numbers. Square number means like you know what is square number, right? When you multiply by itself, like for example 1 into 1 will be, that is 1 square, that is 1. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. 4 square 16. Now you have to remember the square number, student. Very very important thing, you should remember the things. Like when I say 4, okay, 4 is a square number. When I say 9, so 9 is a square number. So you should know the square numbers properly. Okay. Now fraction, everyone know. What is a fraction? Fraction is written in the form of denominator and numerator and denominator. Okay, so fraction is just in the form of a and b. A and b can be any number except a and b is non-zero, means it doesn't belong to 0. And decimal means it has decimal point like 3.5, 4.3, it goes on. I hope you all understood the numbers, like types of numbers we have studied till now. Okay, why we are studying this? Because in some chapters we have to know about the what you call numbers type and all, because in certain question they will say find the prime number, find the probability between of the prime number between certain number they will give. So you should know what are the terms it's related to that. Okay, now when it comes to number system, we have some category. What is it? We have some categories. So what is it? We have two types of number system, that is what you call categories. Yeah, so we have two types of categories. The first one is rational number, and second one is irrational number. What is rational number? Definition is that which can be written in the form of a upon b or p upon q. It should be written in the form of a fraction and it is represented in the number line. Okay, and when you divide or when you get the answer, it should have terminating and recurring decimals. I hope you know what is terminating decimals and recurring decimals, student. If you don't know, please ask. Okay, so now here irrational numbers are there. What is irrational? That cannot be written as a fraction. We cannot write it. For example, I am taking under root 3 and under root 5. We cannot write it. Why we cannot write it? Because for this you will find the answer. You will have some big or decimal number, but it's not exit. Okay, even pi. This doesn't have any terminating number. They are not terminating decimals. So non-terminating, non-recurring, this all are the irrational numbers. Okay. So this is the basic types and category of numbers that you should know. Okay. I hope you understood these things. If you have any doubt, anything, you can just put it in the comment or in the chat box. Okay. So okay. Now next part is multiple and factors. Okay. Now what is multiple and factors? You may be studied in your lower grade or maybe in many things, many topic you may be understood what is it. Multiples is basically you know the things, but you know what you don't know what are the terms for. Like for example, multiple and factor are both are different, but student get confused. Multiples is the table of anything, okay, of table of like any numbers. Okay, factors is that this number will come in that particular table. Okay, once again I repeat, like for example, I am telling write down that multiple of 3. So I will write 3, 9, then 6, 9, then 12, 15. It goes on. So these are the multiple of 3. Okay, if I'm asking a number, factors of say like 27, I want the factors of 27. What it mean is that in which table 27 comes. Very simple. First thing, it will come in one table. First of all, always remember 1 is the factor for every number, so you have to write it down. So 1, then after that we have 3, then 9 table, 9 3 is the 27, and further it will be 27 table by number itself, like 27 times 1 will be 27. Okay, so like that, these are the factors, student. I hope you understood. Please remember the terms properly, then only you will get it, and it is easy, it's not difficult at all. Now lowest LCM, I think LCM many people are having a difficulties, but I'll tell you 2 ways to do it. Okay, I'll tell you the 2 ways to do it is that 2 ways to find it out. I'll tell the best and the easiest way to do it. Don't worry. First of all, you should know what is LCM. What does the term mean? Okay, what does that term mean? That you should know. Okay, lowest common multiple. Now when it comes to lowest common multiple, you should know the term lowest means the minimum, common means something same, similar, multiple means it comes in the table. These are 3 things understanding. Now I am telling a simple one. LCM of 3 and 9. What you are going to do is that, I'll tell another way. Write the 3 table. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Then 9 table, 9, 18, 27, then after that 36, 40, oh sorry, my bad, 45, then after that 54, then 63, 72, 81, 90. Now you find same common number. What are they? 9 and this thing, then 27 and this one. It goes on, student, but I want the slowest one. Lowest means the smallest and the minimum one. So I will say that LCM of 3 and 9 is 9. Is it so simple? Yes, it's simple. You can try this. If you're not getting the other method, you try this, you will get it. Okay, now another method why we prefer, because every time we cannot write the table and we cannot find it, it's difficult, right? So what we do when it comes to bigger number, so what I will do, I'll take the simplest one to find it out, then it will be easier, right? So now for example, I'm taking a common multiple of LCM of 8 and 10. Okay, now just listen carefully, student, how to do it. 8 and 10. So take these numbers, 8 and 10, put a bar like this. Now think about a smallest number. I'm not taking a bigger number. Think about the smallest number that 8 and 10 comes. If you don't get the table, divide and check. Very simple. If you're not getting, or if you're having difficulty remembering the table, divide and check, student. Okay, you will get it. Okay, got it? So now how you will do is that 8 and 10 is there. It comes in which table? It will come in 2 table. Okay, it will come in 2 table. So I'll take 2 table. 2 fours are 8. Now you have to just write below there only. Below there how many times it's coming. Okay, so now here 2 times 4 is 8. Now in you have to see first of all both the number comes in same table or not. Okay, I think this both are coming in 2 tables, so I'll take that. Okay, so now here 2 times 4 is 8. And tell me the next one. What can be the next one? 2 times in 10 table, in 2 table 10 comes. How many times? 5 times. So I'll write that. Now very tricky. Now what happened? 4 and 5 doesn't come in any table. Means it doesn't come in common table. So what I will do? I'll take first again I'll take 2 table, because 2 table 4 comes. So I'll just continue the same table. So 2 times 2 will be 4. 5 will not come. You will just have to write it as it is. Again 2. And you have to continue till when you reach by 1. Okay, then only you'll finish LCM. Now we are just remaining with 5. So I'll obviously 5 will be coming in 5 table. So 5, done. And I prefer this method because when it comes to a bigger number, when it comes to 3-4 numbers, it's difficult to write down the table to everything. So I prefer this to get it easy. Now you have to just simply multiply this all the things. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So 2 times 2 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 5 is 40. So LCM is 40. Now you have to check, is the 40 comes in 8 table? Yes. Is it coming in 10 table? Yes. So which means your answer is correct. Done. Understood? Now we'll see the next topic, student. Now next one is highest common factors. Okay, highest common factors. Okay, now how you will do? Again same thing. There are 2 methods here. First method is very simple. Okay, now how it is? HCF means highest HCF of 2 numbers like 4 and 8. Now you have to just figure out what are the factors of 4 and 8. For 4, what is it? 1, 2, 4. That's all. And when it comes to 8, 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now tell me which is the common number you find in this common factor, the highest one. It's not minimum, the highest one. It's 4. So HCF is 4. I hope you understood this. This is a simple one. You have to just find out the factor and you have to just see the common. Okay. Now next method. How you do it? 4, take the LCM of separately. This 4 will come in 2 table. 2 times 2, again 2, 1. Done. Here again, here 2, 4. 2 times in 2, 4 will come in 2 times, again 2. Now just write it down. The for 4 it is 2 times 2 2s are 4. 8 will be. Now you have to just see what are the common here. What are the common numbers we have? This, not this, because this 2 is not there here. So you have to just find the common. So how many common here? There are only 2 numbers common here. This 1, 2. 1 times 2 is there. This second time. So 2 2s are 4. So HCF is 4. This is another way of doing it. Okay, it's up to you which method you want to do it. Alright. So now, yeah, so we have next topic, that is I'll just give the basic topics, student, which are required for this chapter. Okay, if you are not getting it, please let me know. Okay, now when it comes to square number, cube roots, we'll find it out. Okay, now what is square root? And this thing is that square numbers and its root. It's not necessary, like for example, square numbers means I am multiplying that number by itself by twice, means like 2 into 2. This number is multiplied by twice, means if it is multiplied by thrice, this is a square number, this is a cube numbers. Okay, even you can multiply 4 times also. So how you will write it down? This is 2 square because 2 times I multiplied. Here how many times? 3 times. So I'll write 2 cube. Here how many? 2 4 times. So this I'll write the answer. 2 square is 4. This will be 2 cube will be 8. This will be 16. How it came? 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times I am multiplying it. You will get the answer. Okay. So like that you are getting it. So this is the numbers, square numbers, cube numbers, and like that. Now I have to find it out the under root value. Like for example, I am getting a cube number. I'll give one example for cube number 27. 3 times, like when you multiply it 3 times, you will get cube number. So when I find it out, cube root means you have to just write 3 here. Okay, this is that it denotes for 3. If it is 4 times, like I am taking 16 4. You know, right, this is multiply 4 times, then only I got 16. So here the answer is 2 because 2 I multiply 4 times to get 2. Same here, 3 I multiplied 3 times, I got 3. Okay. So this is the numbers we get it. You have to just remember the cube number and its root value. Okay. So that's all. And what is the next topic we have? Powers. Okay. And indices. Okay, the laws of. Now very simple one, student. How to powers and indices. Okay. Now when it comes to powers and indices, we have certain rule. Okay, so what is it? We'll see. Very simple one. Always remember to note down this. Okay, a raised to m. This is the base. This is the power. Remember that. Okay. So a raised to m. When I multiply with, if this are same, remember a denoted for same base. Okay. So I'll write a raised to m plus n. So when it comes like this, you have to just add the powers. Means the next one is if I divide it, you have to subtract it. You have to subtract it. Second thing, the power 0, always put the value as 1. When any number you take 2 raised to 0, you'll get 12 raised to 0, you'll get 1. Okay. I'll give another example here. 3 raised to 2, 3 raised to 4. So you have to just add the powers. Okay. So it will be 3 raised to 6. Same goes here. 3 raised to 4 divided by 3 raised to 2. So I'll write 3, 4 minus 2. So the answer is 3 raised to 2. So like that we have certain examples, student. Okay. So that is the way you do it. Okay, now I want to make the powers positive. Like for example, I am having a number minus m, means a negative number. So I want to make it positive because it's not good enough. So what you will do, 1 upon a raised to m. You have to just reciprocal it and put the power, but you are not going to put negative here. Okay, when you solve it, if the power is in negative, you have to remember, student, that you have to make it positive. Then only you can further solve it. Okay, now next, if I have a raised to m upon n, so the answer will be a raised to m and put the under root n. This is a basic root of indices, student. Okay, I hope you all understood this part, right? So yeah, so that is the way you have to do it. The next one is fine. So the next one is we are going to see about order of operation. I think these are the okay, I'll just explain you what is the order of operation is board mass. Okay, what is board mass? Like in your board exam, they will give you some solution. You have to just put a bracket to make the answer correct. Okay, that is only thing for this application of board mass. So what is it says that bracket, order, divide, multiply, add in. Okay, so now what is it? BODMAS. Okay, this is bracket, this is order, this is divide, multiply, add and subtract. So now we have some rule. What is it? First thing, you have to open the bracket. Okay, you have to open the bracket, then you have to open the bracket, then after that you have to put the order, put it in the order. Second thing, then divide, multiply, add. Okay, so this by saying you will come to know. Now when it comes to power, like this, the powers is not included, but you have to consider the power before the bracket open, means after the bracket and before any operation or anything you want to do. Okay, so what is it? What is its board mass is that order of operation. What is order of operation is, first thing you have to deal with power and root, second thing you have to divide and multiply, then after that you have to subtract, and this is the order basically. Okay, now very simple thing, we'll solve one example, you'll come to know what is it. Now I have yes, one example, 10 minus 4 bracket close, multiply by 4 plus 9. So what is it here? 10 minus 4 is what? 6, and 4 plus 9 is 30. Now first thing what I'm doing, I am opening the bracket. So I opened the bracket, 10 minus 4, then after that I put a multiply sign, 4 plus 9 is 13. What is the next thing they're telling? Divide. Is the division is there here? No. So what is the next one? Multiply. So you have to simply multiply, you will get the answer. So after multiplying you will get 78. So like that only you have to follow the instruction, student. You will get it. You have to just do it, automatically you will get it, student. Okay, only practice is needed. Please solve the papers. You will be like, lot of papers are available in the websites and so many things. So just hope you will do it good. Second thing, focus. Practice and focus is important here. Okay, now Next one is rounding and estimating. That is very simple one that you have done many a times. Okay, basically when you round off something, you have to just see the beside number. Like for example, near 64.83990. 64.83990. So this is a number. So you are telling you have to round it up. This has been done like maybe a lower grade also. So you should know how to do it. Now here I wanted to round it to a normal whole number, nearest whole number. So what you will do? We have to just stop here till here only. So there's a decimal point. You have to check this number. Only the neighbor number. Remember that only the neighbor number. So is it greater than 5? Yes. 8 is greater than 5. So what you have to do when it is greater than 5? You have to move up. Means you have to move next number. If it's not it's less than 5, you have to remain in the same position. So I'll write the answer is 65 when you round it up. If this was in 64 point something 3, you will round it to 64. You will just keep that number. But here it's something greater than this thing. So I will keep it that. Now second part, I want to round it to 1 decimal place. 1 decimal place means I want to round it to, again I'm just writing it down to make it clear. I want to round it till here. I want to answer in this part till 1 place. After decimal but only 1. Then you have to check this number. Is it less than 5? Yes, it's less than 5. So I will write it as, I'll just write it as it is, 64.8. Done. It's easier, student. You have to just make it simple. Now next I want to round it to till 3 decimal points. 3 decimal point means 1, 2, 3. Till here I want. Here check the beside neighboring number. It's less than, so it's greater than 5. So I will keep it 64.83. I'll move this number. What is the next number? After 9 it will come. Obviously after 9 it will not have. So after 3, 9, what it will be there? It will be 40. So I'll keep 8 here. See, 39, that is 3, 9. Next number will be 40. So I'll write this. So like that only you have to just round it according to the place value. Got it, student? Any doubt in this? Okay. Now significant figure. I hope this is the last topic. Very simple one. Now when it comes to significant figure, you have to make it as round of number. Means we are going to make it as simple numbers. We are going to, according to the rules and regulation, what is the significant figure says that when a number has many digit or decimal places, it is useful to round it to a significant figure. Means we just give a general number. The first significant digit of a number is the first non-zero when reading from left to right. Okay. The next digit is the second significant digit. So it goes on like that, student. So for example, I'll solve this question or understand you. I'll just make you understand by solving the question. Okay. Now 1.076. I want to round it to 3 significant figures. So 3 significant means 1, 2, 3. So I want answers till here. So what I will do, I will just check this 6. Is it bigger than 5? Yes. So I will write 1.08. Okay. Try the next one. We'll try next one, students. 0.00736. And the question is, round it to first one significant figure. Now you have to check where the number start. It doesn't start from here. So where it starts? It starts from here. That is 7. So your answer should come till here. So you have to check the beside. Now what is it? 3 is less than 5. So I'll keep it as 0.07. Okay. Now next, I have not a decimal number. I have a normal number. Now question is, round it to 2 significant figure. Means I want to I just need this. So beside that you have something called 5. So 5 is greater and always remember when it is greater or equal to 5, you have to round it up. So after 23, 24 will come. Remaining you have to put 0, 0. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So like that you have to understand what is the significant figures and how to do it. Okay, so like that you will get the approximate answer. Now when it comes to they're asking approximate or like the clear cut answers, accordingly you have to solve the question, student. Okay, I hope you understood this. Yes, so when it comes to approximate answer, you have to just round it off and then you have to solve it. Round each means estimate each value, then accordingly you have to solve. Okay, so I hope you all understood this topic. Okay, I want everyone to just go through it once again. Second thing, solve the questions by yourself. Don't see the answer and do it. That is like, it's like a spoon feeding. I want you all to try it by yourself. At the end of the chapter, try it, check the answers, then you have to clear. If you're not getting it, ask the teacher or like search for it, you will get it. So like that only you have to study maths. But many students, what they do, they just see the step and finish, that is done. That's not the way of studying the exams or preparing for mathematics. Okay, so I hope you all understood today's lecture. We'll see that next topic and the second chapter in the next class. In meanwhile, I'll try to solve the questions. I'll put more videos and all. Okay, I hope you all understood, and thank you for watching my videos. It's really nice that till now the students are coming and watching and my videos. So I hope you all understood, and have a nice day and all the best for your exam. Only practice makes a person perfect and success. Okay, and smart work. Okay, you have to be smarter than before. Okay, all right, have a nice day and we'll see in the coming videos. Okay, I just hope you all understood it. Okay, so well, we are going to just end this now. Okay, fine.